Welcome to Money in the Bank with Frank at our new studio here at Harper Belmont Studios. Today we're going to go over employee benefits briefly. It's open enrollment time. Let's get started. Today I figured we'd talk about employee benefits. It's about that time of the season and we have health insurance enrollment coming to an end here really soon. I can't tell you the number of times I hear people ask, what is open enrollment? What do I need to do? I just got hired. People generally just take the paperwork, look down and fill it out, but that's probably not the best way to do it. You have so many options and people are just happy to have a job, hopefully. But I figured we'd go over, well, what should I fill out? What are employee benefits? Let's go over that first. They're also known as perks or fringe benefits. They're provided to employees over and above the salaries and wages that you agreed on. These packages could include things like overtime, medical insurance, vacation, profit sharing, retirement benefits. That's just to name a few. We're going to go over the ones that I think I have a better role on, which is the fiscal part of the equation. So I'm not going to go over everything, but I'm going to go over the ones that I feel I can add value to. So why are these benefits important? Well, first and foremost, offering benefits to your employees shows that you're invested not only in their work, but also their overall health and their future. It's really important to have a solid package so you can help attract and retain talent. Benefits can differentiate you from your competitors. And obviously right now, when you look at all the different companies out there, you're going to start seeing a lot of these benefits either get scaled back or disappear. So don't be surprised at that. That's what happens when you go into a recession and companies need to pull in and tighten the reins and control spending. So depending on the type of organization and the job that you have, employee benefits may be quite different. For example, government employee benefit packages for full-time employees look very different than the packages offered to their part-time employees. Same thing with corporate companies and also even self-employed, smaller business owners. Real important to note that as a small business owner, you have a lot of options, a lot more options than you're going to find at a bigger firm. And we're going to cover that at a different time in a different segment. But in general, employee benefit packages are typically discussed during the final interview or at the time that the offer is extended. Now, if you're at a smaller company, maybe they're not as many, maybe it's not as formal, but the right benefit package can give you a distinct advantage in recruiting as well as, as an option if you're trying to figure out which company. If you like two companies, look at the benefits and see which one's better. If it's a tie, maybe that'll make a difference. Now, each state in the U.S. is different, but there are some basic benefit laws that all employers must follow. So all companies are required to comply with Federal Family and Medical Leave Act, that's known as the FMLA, but employers are not required to provide other benefits, and some of these are retirement plans, health plans, dental or vision, life insurance, paid vacations, holiday sick days. That being said, there's no one size fits all. When it comes to employee benefits, every organization is different and every individual's needs are different. If you are 20 years old, your health insurance benefits are going to be totally different than somebody who's 60 or closer to retirement. So by tailoring programs, you want to engage your employee interests and increasing awareness to drive program usage. Organizations realize improved outcomes and increased business performance. If you've got a healthy employee or a fit employee, they're probably going to produce better than someone who is not doing so hot. So keep that in mind. Now, how do we find out about employee fit benefit solutions? Well, I recommend that you want to talk to either an employee benefits advisor or a specialist or the head of HR to learn more about the benefit packages and solutions that your business is committed to providing. Some companies are going to have an internal employee benefits person, also known as like a benefits portal, which will be very helpful with a lot of the services being offered. And keep in mind also that some companies have a financial advisor associated with their firm, and you want to ask about that because a lot of times even other employees might not know that that's an option. So check with HR and find out if there's a financial advisor that's tied to some retirement plan. They can be a huge help to you, seeing as how they already know and they're plugged into your company. They know what you're offering and they can be of valuable assistance and they want to talk to you. Believe me, I want to talk to you. So some companies are going to send out employee benefits newsletters or benefit changes prior to plans or solutions. Right now, you should have gotten something within the past couple of weeks from your company. And that's really important to go through your email and check and see what options have either been updated or taken out or changed around. If you're new to employee benefits, research the Employee Benefit Research Institute or the International Foundation for Employee Benefit Plans. They can help you get started. Popular employee benefits include but are not limited to health insurance. We'll go over that, medical, dental, and vision, vacation, sick leave, retirement plans, including company contributions and matching, well-being programs that offer incentives for both individuals and families, profit sharing plans, we'll cover it, transit benefit allowance, gym reimbursement, tuition or student loan contributions, we'll talk about it, salary increase, doesn't everyone want one, bonuses, flexible working hours, including options to work from home, and disability insurance. And as I said, we're not going to cover all of those topics, but we're definitely going to talk about the ones that I find are the most asked questions. With that, thanks for watching Money in the Bank with Frank. If you want more content about finance, real estate, entrepreneurship, and crypto, check out our YouTube channel, The Merge, and we'll see you next time.